Crocodiles have been around for over 200 million years and have survived multiple mass extinction events. Crocodiles are believed to be more closely related to birds than to other reptiles. Crocodiles can hold their breath for up to 2 hours underwater. Crocodiles can go without food for several months and can even slow their metabolism to conserve energy during periods of drought. Some species of crocodile have been known to use tools, such as using sticks to lure birds within striking distance. Some species of crocodile can run up to 25 miles per hour on land, which is faster than the average human sprint. Baby crocodiles make a variety of noises, including chirping, barking, and even growling. In some cultures, crocodiles are revered as sacred animals and are believed to possess supernatural powers